Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your tech buddy from TriTech AB, and today we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Is this foldable phone worth the hype and your hard-earned money? I've got all the details you need to decide if this is the right choice for you. Let's get into it. Let's start with the build quality, because this is where the Z Flip 6 really stands out. Samsung's done a great job improving the durability here. The hinge is now smaller, stronger, and the phone even has an IP48 rating for dust and water resistance. This is a big step up compared to older models that felt a bit flimsy. When you flip the Z Flip 6 open and closed, it feels solid. It's not as dramatic as other foldables in terms of that flipping action, but the Z Flip 6 is definitely more reliable and sturdy for everyday use. It's built to last. AMOLED screen. Of course, there's that crease in the middle, but Samsung has improved the hinge design, making it less noticeable. Under normal lighting, the crease is hardly there, and you can enjoy a crisp, smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The display is made with Gorilla Glass Victus 2, so it's a lot more resistant to scratches than earlier foldables. Whether you're watching movies, browsing, or gaming, the screen is vibrant and offers a top-notch viewing experience. Now, let's talk design. The Z Flip 6 looks and feels super premium. The satin finish metal on the back gives it a sleek, sophisticated touch, and the flat design is super trendy. It even features a 1.9-inch Super AMOLED front display that's perfect for checking notifications or controlling music. The camera cutout on the front gives it a distinct look compared to other flip phones. It's a phone that makes a statement. It looks stylish, and you'll definitely stand out when you pull it out of your pocket. But there's one area where the Z Flip 6 could definitely improve: the front screen. While it's great for notifications, it's pretty limited in terms of what you can do. You're stuck with pre-installed widgets, and you can only use a handful of Samsung's apps. You can check your messages, control music, but you won't be able to use your full suite of apps unless you open the device. Now, if you download the Good Lock app, you can unlock some extra features, but it's still not as open as other foldables out there. If you were hoping for more functionality from the front screen, that's something to keep in mind. Let's talk about performance. The Z Flip 6 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip with 12 GB of RAM, so you can expect lightning-fast speeds. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just browsing the web, the Z Flip 6 handles it all smoothly with zero lag. Speaking of gaming, this phone is a beast. Games run flawlessly with no frame drops or stuttering. If you're into mobile gaming, the Z Flip 6 will definitely impress you. However, battery life is a bit of a catch. The 3700 mAh battery will get you through a day of light use, but for heavy gaming or video streaming, you might want to keep a charger nearby. Now, let's talk about the camera setup. The Z Flip 6 features a 12MP main camera, and the photo processing is excellent. Pictures come out vibrant and true to life, and the digital zoom is sharp. It's great for everyday photos, but when it comes to vloggings, the sound and video quality aren't quite on par with flagship devices. The telephoto lens is a bit of a gimmick, and it won't be a game changer for most users. But for casual content creation, it's more than enough. If you're serious about vlogging, you might want to consider a dedicated camera. One cool feature that sets the Galaxy Z Flip 6 apart are its AI-driven apps. For instance, the Circle app helps you stay organized by making it easier to search and manage your stuff. Plus, there's the Interpreter app for real-time translations, which is great for traveling or just everyday use. These AI features definitely make the phone feel more intuitive and user-friendly. So, is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 worth it? I'd say yes. If you're looking for a premium, durable, foldable phone that delivers solid performance. The display is stunning, the performance is top-notch, and the build quality is solid. The front screen limitations and battery life could use some improvements, but overall, it's a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a stylish, functional flip phone. When compared to other foldables like the Motorola Razr Plus 2024, the Z Flip 6 definitely stands out as the better option for a more complete overall experience. And that wraps up today's review of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. What do you think? Is this phone on your wish list, or are you leaning towards something else? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TriTech AB for more honest, in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.